Bush, sino ka dyan? Mata na, oy, bayot. Wala, katik-katik lang, oy, wala. Wala, feeling guwapa. Bush, so, mao na siya. Fast forward, kaya mo na siya ligo. And, get ready with me, kunuhay, like, Bush. Pak. Foundation. With, ano na siya, primer. And, what's next? Girl, concealer. Okay, Bush. Ay! Pak. Oh, pug. Kilay is live. But I don't usually make my kilay kasi I don't like it. I just don't feel like it. Bush. Udang is waiting. Galit na si Udang dyan. Ay! Bush. Tagal mo, B. Mga 1 oras din yan. Tapos, yung bus namin, malapit ng kuan. Basta yun, like, malilate na kami niyan. Bush, yung baklang dumating na siya. The one and only John Carla. Ang fuck girl ng Cebu. Bush, bilisan mo mag-contour, Bian. Ang tagal mo mag-contour. Like, it's not giving, ha? Uy, bilisan mo. Pak eyeliner. Bush. Breaking the stamp eyeliner allegation. Hindi ako gumagamit ng stamp, guys. It's pure talent. Yes. Yes. It's a pure talent. La, tinatawa mo dyan, girl. Bush. Making eyeliner is the easiest. Ba't ka nabubulol, sis? Mascara. Bush. Tama na, B. Paawat ka na, B. Tangina mo, tignan mo yung mukha ni Odang. Bush. Blush on. Yes. Blush on is a must. Tinatawa mo dyan, John Carla. Bush, hindi na ako tapos dyan. Kaya, kinat ko na lang. And dyan, pupunta na kami sa bus station or bus station ba? Basta, papunta na kami dyan. Like, papara na lang kami ng taxi. Charas! Nag-jeep lang kami dyan. Bush, GGSS. Gandang-ganda sa sarili. Pak. Sino ka dyan, T? Pak. Uy, tama ka na, bakla. Uy, tumingin ka sa dinadaanan mo, B. Ano, pak. At dyan na nga kami. We arrived safely. And as you can see, hindi naman siya masyadong matao. At walang mga taong like uuwi. So, we take this chance or opportunity. OA movie ng Ina Rose. At yan, nangunguna na si Udang. Pak. Mas maling mo, Udang. Bush. Sino ka dyan, Carla? At dito, nasimula na kami mag-travel. Just, ganda ng bukid, guys. Like, super. It's so very peaceful. Bush. Pamasahe mo, girl. Huwag kang magmukong. Just. Ay, sino ka dyan? At dito, malapit-lapit na kaming mag-arrive. Wow! Yes, talaga guys, it's so worth it. Even though the maximum travel hours is 5 hours. Like, five hours kasi, ay, no, 4 hours lang pala kasi hindi traffic. So, if traffic, it is estimated to 5 to 6 hours. So, here na, we arrived na safely, thank God. So, yeah. Push. Walang princess treatment dito ha. May bit-bit akong napakabigat putang inamouse. Bugs. Baba ka na girl, tang inamouse. Tagal kong bumaba. And voila. We arrive safely in Bangkogon, Oslo, Cebu City. And dito, I doubt kasi I forgot ako na the way pupunta sa pamangkin ko, bahay ng pamangkin ko. So, Rada, the tour guide, she was going on first because she remembers where is it, like, and we follow. And as you can see, Giancarlo is so amazed by the ambience. Oh, a movie. Bush, Udang, sino ka dyan, Udang? Bakit ka nagpapahinga? As in, guys, the scenery of this bukid is so amazing and mind-blowing. Charas. Dami mong OA no words, B. So, kuan ha.
Nanonood to?
Na? Wala! Kuno sa view.
I love the view. You do? You're my best view. Ato ko dito, Bi. Laki ko.
Pagod na ang bakla niyo. Pagod na siya. At dito, dumating na kami. We arrive. At walang tao. Ang galing ng Balay. Pero, nakapasok rin naman kami kasi may balcony. May balcony naman sila. Like, every house in province it has balcony like may basta anong tawag doon at dito dumating na yung mga pamangkin ko from school, so nagpahinga muna kami. Like 4 hours of travel is so exhausting. Charas. Okay. At dito tinawag na kami para kumain, bumaba na yung badeng kasi gutom na rin ako. Pugs, barefoot. Saan ka dyan? Uy! At ang cute ng Mimi. Hi, Mimi! OMG! Pat. Ang cute niya. Sarap niyang iuwi sa bahay. And as you can see, mga pamangkin ko, they are the one who is cooking. Ooh, Chanika and Madison. Pancit Canton as usual. Ang pambansang ulam ng Pilipinas, Pancit Canton with udang doing the fried rice. But sino ka dyan? Such a queen behavior. Boom! Sino ka dyan? Oh my God! What a smiley queen. Ay, sino ka dyan, B? Wag mo akong smile. At dito, kumain na kami. Nagsimula na kaming kumain kasi we're hungry.
Video, di mo mabidyohan. Hay, ngaon pa.
Yung mga anak, daga na dito tao, pero bago pang napakasal, pwede mong kagraduate yung anak, pwede mong pakasal sa para. Bayan ko, napilda na ko.
Debe bullying, no es bueno.
Trabaho sa akong amiga.
Raise the rules now.这就是女王。
Hindi na imong kauban og may magbuhat anak. Ayaw di ko buhat anak kay mo oy magagaba na oy. Nalimba ko no ingnon ko no
Lahi
maana.
ang good tagkuan ko tradisyon. Kailangan kay normal lang na sa ato adi.
Di ka to Katoliko.
Oh.
Hello baby. Don't call me baby. I'm old enough. I'm 50 years old. I'm not a baby. May nga one. Hello sweetie. Yeah, they have so many aunts here in the Philippines. Why? Because I'm sweetie. Oh yeah. Kuan ako kanang itawag. Okay, honey, inko, I'm not a baby.
No, Benji.
Ana, dito yung mama dito. Very smart woman. Bas mo.
Bugs, sino ka diyang nagtulog-tulugan ka? Bugs, wake up like this. Ooh. Ooh. The cleavage is giving. Ooh. Stretching, stretching. Ooh. What is that kind of hair being? Nang buhok yan. Like, ooh. Ooh. GGSS na naman siya. Yan na naman siya. Yung sipon mo, B. Yan. Tanggalin mo, B. Oh, smile pa siya, oh. This is the most satisfying part. The sea. That is Tasmanian Island. Yes. The view is viewing. At dito, magsiswimming na kami. Pake nyo. Udang is in the house. They are all prepared. Sana all prepared. Andito, nagcha-travel. Travel! Dito, nag-walking na kami. The dagat is dagating. The sea is seeing. Look at Giancarlo. He's all excited and all. And Maria Agata. She's our tourist guide, and that's specific.
Lang, kuyog mo na.
Specific. Oh,
Yan yun ang da. Amaw! Yun ang na lang. Amaw. Tayo dang.
oh, sino pa ba? It's me. I win, you lose. Eme lang. Ganda mo self. You're so pretty. Ooh, the double chin. Oh my god. Nandito, malapit na kami mag-arrive sa sea. Mag-arrive. Oh, eh.
Sakitas tuhod.
Pusing. Eh. And there it is. The view. I like the view. You do? Yes.
The view
I love you. Di ba ang ganda guys? Like, it's so mesmerizing. Mesmerizing. Yes. Slay.
Wala, wala to na datong ko ano.
The makeup is slayable.
No?
Tawa siya oh. Here is me time. I'm just enjoying the view. Oh my god. Look at that blue sea. The waving wave. Waving wave. Look how stunning it is. The ocean is oceaning.